Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Are you looking to upgrade your handlebars? Much better. If you're looking to upgrade those handlebars, this is the weekend you need to join us here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. We have Sean, our master tech, is going to be on the showroom floor doing a handlebar install. Not sure what size handlebars you want? Make sure you hit our parts department and get with one of our fit specialists, and they can actually help you decide which handlebars are right for you, which ones are the most comfortable, and which ones you're looking at. Because actually we have 15% off parts and labor going on this month with a new set of handlebars. So come on in Saturday. The build starts at 10. Spring is here and riding season is upon us. Isn't that so awesome? The weather's beautiful. Why would you not want to get on a new Harley-Davidson? Why not take advantage of the promos we have on our Softail models? 0 down, 1.49 APR. Why not take a test ride today? You can be taking one of these babies home with you tomorrow. And don't forget, Rolling Arkansas is still going on, so make sure when you're in here this weekend that you find us, get your new set of keywords, and get yourself registered to win that 2024 Lowrider S, that $5,000 gift card, or a 4-night stay to Rolling Arizona Bike Week. How awesome would that be? We've got food trucks coming out this weekend. We have our vendors. We got our bike wash. Billy's going to be here along with the rest of our staff signing you up for Rolling Arizona. We're all going to be hanging out. It's going to be a kick-ass, beautiful day. Why don't you come out and join us? We'll see you Saturday.